Perhaps you'd like to use the data available in the Sea Level Scenario Map Viewer on your computer in ArcMap or ArcGIS Pro. In this case, you'll need to download the data. You can download a map package directly from the map viewer. The map package will contain a map document and all of the data it references packaged into one file. To download a map package, add the scenario you would like to download to the map viewer. Click on the Layer Controls icon next to the title of the scenario and click on Download. Save the data wherever you'd like. Then, unzip that folder and open the package in ArcMap or ArcGIS Pro. To open the package in ArcMap, open ArcCatalog, navigate to the map package, right-click, and select Unpack. A new map will be opened from the map package's contents. To open the package in ArcGIS Pro, select the Insert banner and then Import Map. Navigate to the map package and open it. It will be added to the current map.